welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to share kind of my recent trip to Florida with you. You may have caught my Packing for Florida video. I'll link it above if you didn't, but basically I was there for a little bit over a week and I packed everything in a carry-on because I really hate checking bags these days. I just try to avoid it at all costs. So regardless of the length of my trip, I try really hard to get it all into a carry-on. So if you're interested on packing tips and topics and how to pack everything in a carry-on so you don't need to check a bag, I do a couple videos on those. Go ahead, check them out. But yeah, basically this is just a mini recap. I was down in Florida to visit family and friends, and I just wanted to do like a little mini recap if you guys haven't been to Florida or you want to see the beautiful sunshiny weather since we're still stuck in early stages of spring in Minnesota. I thought I'd bring you along for that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Here we go.
So I got to the airport early for my midnight flight, which was then delayed to 2 a.m. So I was there really early, but at least I got a seat near a charging port. I basically slept through the whole flight, but when I landed in Florida, it was a beautiful sunny day. Sort of, the sun's just coming up, but super humid. The air just smelled like flowers, and it was kind of amazing. Great way to start the trip. Head into the fun destination as the sun is coming up. Look at this gorgeous sunny day. Oh my goodness, so bright and warm. I don't think it dropped below the 80s the entire time it was here. Mainly blue skies, although we did have some thunderstorms, especially at night. Like, what is this? Seriously. It sounds pretty though. So the next day was a little bit overcast, but just for part of it, it did end up getting super sunny. So the weather kind of went back and forth between really sunny, overcast, and storms, and then back again super fast. But I'm guessing that's why everything's so green and beautiful and lovely. I mean, look at this. It's seriously gorgeous. So pretty. Just gorgeous sun and green and everything you want for spring and for a vacation. So totally awesome. We were near this little outdoor mall, which is totally perfect because you can drive to it. You could walk to it too, but you can drive to it, which is awesome because then you can more quickly find exactly what you want. Like Starbucks. Hello, friend. We also went to this cool outdoor aquarium type thing. It's a place where they kind of rescue sea turtles, but I guess that's the off season. They didn't really have any sea turtles, but they had these tanks with fish in them that were kind of cool and swimming around like this wrecked barge thing. And they also had this, which is a barracuda. And I don't like barracudas. I'm very afraid of them, but it's behind glass, so I took this opportunity to get up close and personal with it because I would never do that in the wild. Are they terrifying? They're exactly what they look like in Finding Nemo, only scarier. And that one tooth on the end, I don't know what that is, but it's like even worse than a double row. Look at him! Oh, I can't get over it. So much nope. So there's also this really cool outdoor walkway, and it was obviously man-made and elevated, but you were just kind of surrounded by the trees and nature on all sides, and you have the gorgeous sun coming through, and it was just so peaceful and relaxing to hear the little birds around you, and it was totally awesome. There wasn't a whole lot of wildlife, but there were little geckos and even a few squirrels, which was super cute because I love squirrels. Everything where we are is so well constructed. We're walking to the beach right now, but there's this awesome parking lot and pavilion just to get to the gorgeous beach. And the color isn't quite as vibrant on my camera as it was in real life. It looks a little overcast, but it was a beautiful warm day and a great way to finish out the vacation.
Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed that little mini vacation. But yeah, if you did, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to see more DIY craft tutorials, travel experiences, general life experiences with me. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.